Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to use Plaid to automate your bank feeds in accounting software. So if you're tired of exporting CSVs or manually entering transactions, this is going to save you a ton of time. Alright, so first things first, just open up your accounting software and head over to where it lets you connect to your bank accounts. So usually there's going to be a connect your bank button somewhere right on the dashboard. You literally can't miss it. Then next, you're going to pick Plaid as your connector. So Plaid is awesome because it literally lets you connect your bank securely to your software without you having to type everything manually. So when you select Plaid, a login window for your bank will pop up. But don't worry, this is totally safe. Plaid never stores your login info, it just acts as a bridge between your bank and your accounting software. So after logging in, your transactions will start syncing automatically. And that's it. So you'll then be able to see your bank activity in real time, ready for categorization, reconciliation, or whatever accounting tasks you need. And one more tip, if you have multiple accounts, you can also repeat this process for each one. Plaid literally handles multiple accounts seamlessly, so all your transactions will flow right into your software. And that's really all there is to it. So using Plaid to automate your bank feeds can save you hours every month and make your accounting way less stressful. So if you found this helpful, simply hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Oh, and also drop a comment if you want me to cover other automation tips for small business accounting. Otherwise, see you on the next one.